Dynamic Funds Portfolio Builder app. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Dynamic Funds is a portfolio management app that helps investors build and track diversified portfolios across multiple asset classes. Many assume portfolio builders are costly, but Dynamic Funds uses transparent pricing to attract a wide range of investors. The app is free to download and offers basic portfolio tracking at no cost. For premium features like automated portfolio rebalancing, advanced analytics, and scenario modeling, the subscription costs per month or annually. There are no additional trading fees within the platform for supported ITs, which keeps costs predictable. Most people get this wrong by thinking portfolio builders only display numbers. The surprising truth is Dynamic Funds provides actionable insights including risk exposure, expected returns, and sector diversification. For example, the app can show that your portfolio is overly concentrated in energy stocks and suggest reallocating funds to reduce risk. Additional features include goal setting, performance tracking against benchmarks, and integration with multiple brokerage accounts. This allows users to manage a single dashboard for all their investments while gaining insights that support smarter decision-making. In conclusion, Dynamic Funds Portfolio Builder combines affordability, transparency, and functionality. Its free and premium tiers make it suitable for beginners and experienced investors alike, offering clear value for every dollar spent.